The point of coordinates 3, 7 lies on the graph of the function g. If g of x is b minus x squared, where b is constant, what is the value of b? So we have given function g of x is equal b minus x squared. And what else we have? That the point coordinates 3, 7 lies on the graph of our function. What it means? It means that because this point lies on this graph of function, we can substitute first coordinate by x and the second by y, because this point lies on graph of our function. So, in other words, y is value of our function g of x. We can write y is equal g of x. So, we will substitute g of x by 7 is equal b, we will copy, and x is 3 to second power. We got equation with one unknown b. So let's copy 7. We will move negative 3 to second power to the left side, so it will be positive, and 3 to second power is 9. This is equal b. So let's change the sides, and we have that b is equal 9 plus 7 is 16. So we have value of b. So now we can write our function g of x, that this is b, we will substitute by 16, and the rest we copy, minus x squared. So this is our function g. We found the value of unknown b. This is my solution.